AI is writing our emails, designing our homes, and even driving our cars. It feels like nothing is safe from automation, right? But what if I told you there are still unique human skills that AI simply can't touch, at least not yet? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the abilities that keep us human, and why they'll matter more than ever in an AI-powered world. First, emotional intelligence. AI can detect emotions through tone or facial expressions, sure, but it doesn't feel them. It can simulate empathy, not experience it. Human empathy isn't just recognizing sadness, it's sharing it, responding with context, compassion, and understanding. That's why therapists, teachers, nurses, and great leaders still thrive. When someone's grieving, anxious, or inspired, no algorithm can truly mirror that connection. Second, creativity, and no, I don't mean AI-generated art. True creativity comes from connecting disconnected ideas. AI creates patterns from what already exists. Humans invent what doesn't. Think about surrealism, abstract art, or revolutionary inventions. These came from curiosity and emotion, not datasets. AI helps us brainstorm faster, but the spark that breaks boundaries? That still belongs to us. Next up, ethics and moral judgment. Machines follow logic. Humans weigh right and wrong. When doctors decide whether to risk a surgery or judges balance justice and mercy, it's not about efficiency, it's about values. AI can optimize for profit or probability, but it can't feel guilt, pride, or duty. Our ability to act morally, even when it's not logical, is a uniquely human superpower. Here's something simple but underrated: the human body. Robots can assemble microchips, but ask them to tie shoelaces or walk a dog and it's chaos. Our combination of fine motor skills, reflexes, and adaptability took millions of years to evolve. Surgeons, athletes, mechanics, chefs, these jobs rely on instinct and split-second adjustments AI can't replicate yet. Then there's intuition, that gut feeling you can't explain but you know is right. AI relies on data. Humans rely on lived experience. When a firefighter senses danger before seeing smoke, or an entrepreneur feels a market shift coming, that's intuition, built from countless tiny memories and emotions AI doesn't have. Data can't measure human hunches, and that's exactly why they're powerful. Humans don't just adapt, we reinvent ourselves. We learned to farm, build cities, invent the internet, and now we're learning to coexist with AI. Our ability to give meaning to our struggles and change direction gives us an edge no machine can match. AI doesn't care why it exists. Humans constantly seek purpose. That's what drives innovation in the first place. So yes, AI is rewriting the rules. But for every task it automates, there's a human ability it can't replace: creativity, empathy, morality, intuition, purpose. The real danger isn't AI replacing us. It's us forgetting what makes us irreplaceable. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe for more weekly insights about AI and the future of work, and let me know in the comments, what human skill do you think AI will never replace?